Good morning, grade 10. Today we will discuss about ionic compounds and ionic bond. What are ionic compounds? Like I already explained, that ionic compounds are compounds formed by metals and non-metals. Or we can say that combination of metals and non-metals will form ionic compounds, and the force of attraction present between ionic compound is electrostatic force and the bond is ionic bond. You know, metals, they are responsible to make cations, and non-metals, they are responsible to make anions. Metals will lose electron and non-metals will gain electron. When metals will lose electron, they will form cation, and non-metals will gain electron and they will form anions. So cations and anions will attract each other because cations positively charged and the anions are negatively charged. So they will attract each other and they will form ionic compounds. Let us see the example in which ionic compounds are formed. Look at this example. Sodium, belongs to group 1. It has electron 2 in first shell, 8 electron in second shell, and 1 electron in the third shell. Chlorine belongs to group 17. It has 2 electron in first shell, 8 electron in second shell, and 7 electron in last shell. So sodium from the last shell, it will lose 1 electron and it will be gained by chlorine in the last shell. So after losing this electron, sodium become cation with 2 electrons in first shell and 8 electron in second shell, and chlorine will gain electron and it becomes anion with 2 electrons in first shell, 8 electron in second shell, and 8 electron in last shell with the loss of energy. If you will look at the structure, in this structure, in the last shell, there is only 1 electron in sodium, and in chlorine, there are 7 electrons in the last shell. So what will happen? The chlorine will lose 1 electron, or remove 1 electron, or donate 1 electron, and chlorine will accept 1 electron, and then they will make a bond between them that is called ionic bond, and they will form a compound that is called ionic compound. And the example explained is the formation of sodium chloride, that is table salt. After losing the electron, the chlorine, you can see, will get the -1 charge with 2, 8 and 8, and sodium will get positive charge with 2 and 8. This is the way to show the structure of ionic compounds during the formation of ionic bond.